How to prevent cooking fires. Cooking fires are the primary cause of home fires and home fire injuries. The majority of cooking equipment fires start with the ignition of common household items: wall coverings, paper or plastic bags, curtains, etc. Here are some safety tips. Your full attention, please. Never leave food cooking on the stovetop unattended, and keep a close eye on food cooking inside the oven. Continuously check items baking. Don't cook if you're sleepy, if you've been drinking alcohol excessively, or if you've taken medications that make you drowsy. Napping while cooking is not a good idea. Neat and clean. Keep pot holders, dish towels, food packaging, cookbooks, and other combustibles away from your stovetop. Wipe up spills and clean your oven. Built-up grease can catch fire. Turn pot handles in so you can't bump them together. Prevent burns. Open microwave food slowly. Let it cool before eating. Never use a wet oven mitt. A hot pan could turn that dampness into scalding steam. Dress for the occasion. Loose clothing can catch fire. Wear short, close-fitted, or tightly rolled sleeves when cooking. Make sure there is nothing underfoot. If the fire is out of control, pull the fire alarm and evacuate the building. When in doubt, get out. Call 911 and then notify the Office of Campus Safety at 845-575-3333 or extension 5555 from any campus phone. And also remember to stop, drop, and roll if your clothes catch on fire.